If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When you first open Publisher, a startup screen appears, which lets you quickly create a new publication by clicking the type of publication to create in the template listing in the New section at the top of the right side of the home screen. Alternatively, to create a new publication in Publisher, click the New button at the left side of the startup screen to view a list of templates at the right side of the screen. To view a similar screen, if you already opened a publication in Publisher, click the File tab in the ribbon and then select the New command at the left side of the Backstage view. In the Templates list to the right, then click the desired template choice for your new publication. Then, if needed for your selected template choice, click to select any template settings and make choices from any drop-downs as desired, and click the Create button to finish. Alternatively, to create a new blank publication that is a standard page size, simply click to select either the blank 8.5 by 11 or blank 11 by 8.5 template as desired to immediately create a blank publication of that size. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.